Imagine this. You're the helm of a product that has the potential to revolutionize its industry. Perhaps a smart home device set to simplify lives or a sleek app that solves a long-standing problem. The possibilities seem endless. But without a clear vision and plan, even the most promising ideas can fizzle out. That's where a product management roadmap comes in. As a product manager, it's your job to create a strategic blueprint that guides your product from concept to reality. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to build a product management roadmap that not only charts a path forward but also aligns stakeholders and keeps everyone focused on the end goal.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Also, just for a quick info, if you're interested in becoming a certified product manager from SP Jain School of Global Management, gain experience in AI-powered product management courses, top product tools with 100% interactive live sessions led by industry experts and SP Jain's top faculties, this professional product management course by SP Jain School of Global Management prepares you to become a product manager via an exhaustive curriculum covering all aspects of product management. This program focuses on the latest industry trends, advancements, and related industry applications taught by the top product experts via live sessions. This SP Jain's academic excellence and product expertise from experts from companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and much more. So don't forget to check out the course in the pinned comment and description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. So firstly, we will cover the agenda for today's session. We will have a brief introduction to what exactly is product management. The skills required will be the second part. Followed by that, we will understand the basic and important roles and responsibilities of a product manager. And finally, the most important point of today's session, which is about how to build a step-by-step roadmap for a product management. Now let's begin with the brief introduction to what exactly is product management. So, introduction to product management. In today's competitive business landscape, successful product management is a strategic roadmap that not only aligns with customer needs, but also delivers long-term business value. A clear product roadmap ensures that all the stakeholders from product development teams to executives are on the same page, working towards common goals and becoming successful. So let's walk through the essential steps in building an effective roadmap. Before that, let's move ahead to the critical skills required by a product manager so that you have a clear idea where you stand. So here are the top 5 skills a product manager must have. Firstly, strategic thinking, ability to define long-term product vision and align it with business objectives. Second one is market research and analysis, gathering and intercepting data to understand customer needs and market trends. Communication and collaboration stands third, which is effectively working across teams and stakeholders to ensure alignment and progress. Prioritization and decision-making is at fourth, which is about making informed choices to focus on features and initiatives that deliver the highest value. And lastly, technical knowledge and agile methodology. Understanding product development process and techniques to communicate effectively with engineering teams, along with implementing iterative process to adapt and deliver products quickly in a dynamic environment. Now moving ahead, let's also go through some of the top 5 roles and responsibilities of a product manager. So some of the critical roles and responsibilities of every product manager are as follows. So first one, product strategy development. Crafting a product vision and long-term plan aligned with business goals. Next, roadmap planning. Creating and maintaining a strategic roadmap to guide product development and releases. Third one is cross-functional team collaboration. Coordinating between teams like engineering, marketing, and sales to ensure seamless execution. Fourth one is where we find market and user research, gathering insights from users and the market to drive product decisions and improvements. And lastly, feature prioritization and product lifecycle management, determining which features to focus on based on the impact, feasibility, and business value, and along with overseeing the product's journey from ideation to launch and through iterations or retirement. Now, most of the basic important parts like introduction to product management, skills required, and roles and responsibilities of a product manager are covered. Now, we will focus on the most important point of today's session, which is the product management roadmap. So first, we will get started. So here it goes, the roadmap to product management. So now, the first step, define the vision and objectives. The foundation of any product roadmap is clearly defined by the product vision and objectives. Start by asking key questions. What the problem is and what problem is the product solving? Who is the target audience? What are the long-term goals for the product? Your product vision should articulate the purpose and the value of the product brings to the customers, while objectives must be specific, measurable, and aligned with the business goals. For instance, if your product aims to improve the user's engagement by 20%, your roadmap should reflect strategies that drive that engagement. By setting a clear vision, you will establish a direction that keeps your team aligned and motivated, creating a shared understanding of what success looks like. Now moving ahead, the second step, identify key milestones and deliverables. With the product vision in place, the next step is to break down the journey into manageable pieces. This is where you identify key milestones and deliverables. Think of milestones as makers of progress. They represent significant achievements along with the product development path. For example, a milestone could be launching a beta version of your product or integrating a new feature by a certain date. Each milestone should be tied to clear deliverables, such as product features or improvements in functionality. This step ensures that your roadmap isn't just a list of tasks, but a structured path towards achieving product goals. It also helps in measuring progress and making adjustments as needed. Now moving into features and initiatives. Prioritization is critical to ensure that the most impactful features are delivered first. To effectively prioritize, use a framework such as Moscow method, must have, should have, could have, and or RISE scoring, research, impact, confidence, and effort. When prioritizing, consider customer needs, marketing trends, resource constraints. Firstly, we'll discuss customer needs. Which features will solve the most pressing problems for your users? Followed by that, we will focus on market trends. Are there emerging opportunities for competitive threats you should address? Then, the resource constraints. How much time, budget, and manpower will each feature require? And then, the prioritization helps focus on efforts on the features that deliver the greatest value in the shortest time. And then prioritization helps focus efforts on the features that deliver the greatest value in shortest time. This not only satisfies customers but also maximizes return on investment for business. Now the fourth step, develop a timeline in phases. A roadmap without a timeline is like a journey without a map. After prioritizing features, it's time to map them onto a timeline. Determine realistic deadlines for each milestone and organize your roadmap into phases. The typical phases include discovery and research, understanding the market, customers, and competitors. Next is design and development, which is about creating prototypes, gathering feedback, and iterating on product features. Third step is testing and quality analysis, which is about ensuring the product works and ensuring that the product works as intended and is free of defects. Fourth one is launch and post-launch. Releasing the product, marketing it into customers, and gathering users' feedback is all about launch and post-launch. So by creating a timeline, you establish a cadence for product development. This also helps stakeholders visualize the flow of product and anticipate when key deliverables will be completed. Now, let's discuss the step 5. Collaborate and communicate with stakeholders. A product roadmap is only as effective as the communication that supports it. Continuous collaboration with stakeholders, including engineers team, marketing, sales, and executives is essential for success. Set up regular check-ins and updates to ensure everyone is informed and aligned. Transparency fosters trust, reduces misunderstandings, and helps ensure that the roadmap evolves based on real-time feedback and changes in market conditions. Using tools like Jira, Trello, and Asana can help in tracking progress and keeping communication fluid. Now, the iterate and adapt. A roadmap isn't static. It is a living document that should be revised and revised as conditions change. Once it is live, track performance metrics such as user engagement, customer satisfaction, and revenue growth. If prioritization shifts or priorities shift due to market changes, new competitors, or customer feedback, be prepared to adapt. Agile product management encourages continuous iteration, so make sure your roadmap is flexible enough to accommodate new information and changing business needs. So it's crucial to remember that a successful product roadmap is not about sticking rigidly to the plan, but about delivering the most value to users and the business. So in conclusion, building a product roadmap is not just about organizing tasks, but creating a clear and dynamic plan that drives product success. By defining the vision, setting milestones, prioritizing features, and fostered collaboration, a well-executed roadmap turns product ideas to reality. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial on product management roadmap. Should you have any questions or suggestions for us, or if you require any of the resources used in this tutorial, please let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to help you as soon as possible. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simply.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.